Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from noisy Margate, Florida. That's right, they're doing the lawn around me. But I got to do the video anyway, so hopefully it won't be too bad. By the way, if you have questions, that is our telephone number. We have great answers. So what do we have here? Well, we have the new Nissan Frontier, and we just did the backflip MX4TS. Now, the TS basically stands for T-slot rails. If you look here, it has T-slots. Now, this thing is very low profile. It sits in the bed. It's also got the nice Line-X finish on here, so it's more scratch resistant. And this is one of my favorite covers. Now, it does have a 400-pound weight capacity, and it has a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, the good news, because we installed it for this customer, we're going to double that warranty from 5 years to 10. So, and we put a 1-year labor guarantee on all our work as well. So, you got a good look how nice it is. And I tell you, look at how low profile that is here. Super, super clean. Really looks great with the lines of the truck. So let's go in here and take a look at everything else. Now, this does have a driver's side and a passenger side release mechanism. So wherever you're at, you can see it releases both ways here. And if you look here, you can see the seal here, and it does a nice job of sealing up the tailgate area. Now, none of these covers are waterproof. They're water resistant, weather resistant. This one's pretty good, but again, you can't say waterproof. So just keep that in mind. Now, you basically get them pulling the little lever here. Pulling up here. Now you can drive like this way. So basically you got this over here. I'll go ahead and show you real quick. This is gonna slide up, put it right in there, and then you kind of snug it tight. Now you would do both sides. When not in use, you just put it right back in that little groove I just took it out of, and that stays out of the way. Now what's nice about this cover, most folding covers stop right here. So you lose the front area of your bed, you lose 1/3 of your space. This one here folds one more time. So again, it folds all the way up. It doesn't block your third brake light, and you can drive with this on the highway or anywhere else. You just have to lock this. You got two of these. You want to do both sides, make sure it's secure so it doesn't go anywhere. And as you can see, you get full access to the bed now. So again, you don't have any loss of space in the bed. Really a nice setup. By the way, if you notice, the hardware does work with the cargo management system in here. Now this one is a little trickier on the installation. If you're doing it yourself, you might need to call us. If you bought from us, we'll walk you through a couple of little things that are not part of the directions. So again, you're gonna hear they're coming over here, they're gonna mow right next to me, but I'm still doing the video, at least you can see me. So I'll talk a little louder. As you can see, you just go ahead and close it. There we go. It's hard to hear over this. Now when you go to close the last part, kind of push on both sides, make sure it's locked in place, and close it up. Nice and easy. Again, if you like this, we can ship it anywhere in the country. If you live in the United States, you live in, of course, even Puerto Rico, Brazil, and we're also doing Alaska and Hawaii. So we got everything covered. Boy, it is no noisy today, but what can I do? Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the backflip MX4TS on the new Nissan Frontier. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.